What's up, everybody? Mike here with Reprint Equipment, and this video I'm going to show you how to do a head soak on a VG3. This machine's less than a year old and already developing problems with CYAN. I have other videos. If you're developing problems with your CYAN, please do me a favor, comment in this, comment in the comment section. Let me know you're having this problem, because this is a plague. I've got 5 Truevis machines here with all CYAN head problems. This one right here, I just had to take the head out. It is definitely the head. It isn't the dampers. I replaced cap tops. And this one from a previous video, this one we just had to replace the Printhead. The CYAN was clogged. So please do me a favor. In the comments, please like and comment that you're having a problem with CYAN. Maybe we'll get Roland's attention and they can fix this issue, because this is horrible. So right now I'm going to show you how to do the head soak, and hopefully we can save this Printhead. I'll keep you updated throughout the entire thing, see if we can save this little flaw. I'm hoping we can, but hard to tell at this point. So this is my first time having to work on this VG3, so I'm really not sure. I'm trying to pay attention and look and see what we have to take apart to access the pump so that I can clip off the line. So it's looking like quite a few screws on this top plate that I'm going to have to remove. I am going to slide the head carriage to the right, then back to the left, unlock it, and we're going to fill that, the cap tops. I'll go ahead and soak them all. I'm going to fill that with cleaning solution. But first I have to find how to access the hoses to crimp them off. So stay tuned, and I'm going to take this off. I'll tell you what screws you need to remove, and we'll continue. All right, let me put some light on. I ended up removing this top panel. That's all I had to remove, was this cover right here. And I actually had to get it to maneuver it outside the machine this way, kind of like this, to get it out of the machine. And first time I've seen inside one of these machines. So I had to figure out which lines to crimp off, which it has 2 sets of line. One going to the waste tank, which is this one closest to me, and these over here, see if I can show you, those are the ones in the second batch right over here. These are the ones that go to the cap tops. So I was able to pinch off the cap tops. As you can see, they're all holding cleaning solution, with the exception of orange. Orange isn't working very well. So I'm going to see what I have going on there. I've kind of pinched them all together, so maybe it isn't, well, this looks like the CYAN, or the light CYAN, isn't holding the solution. But all I'm really worried about right now is this head, but I'd like to soak them all at the same time. Nothing wrong with soaking your heads for preventative measures. So I'm going to go ahead and figure out what's going on there, why it isn't holding the solution. Well, I guess it is in the CYAN. I guess the way I was holding the camera made it look like it wasn't, but the green and orange definitely isn't holding solution. So what I'm going to do now is park the heads over the cleaner, just to show you before I troubleshoot that. We're just going to push it back, and we're going to go till it clicks and locks. See, it didn't lock right there. Kind of hard to do while holding the thing, but now we're locked into place, and we're going to let this sit for 24 hours or so, see if it can unclog the Printhead. Today is Saturday, so it's going to sit until Monday. I'll keep you guys updated and see if we get any better than this crap. Terrible, 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 terrible. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully this will help you solve or help you save your head. I believe that I might have caught it soon enough. This might be successful. But if not, it's going to suck having to replace this Printhead on this low usage machine. Thanks for watching. If you haven't done so, like and subscribe. Very important to the channel. See you in the next video.